choosing the right university for cybersecurity can feel overwhelming, because there are so many options and you want to pick the one that gives you the best education and skills. Don't worry, I got you covered, and by the end of the video, you're going to know about 5 amazing universities that offer top-notch cybersecurity programs. So let's start with the Carnegie Mellon University. They are famous for their strong cybersecurity research and programs. Next, consider Stanford University, where you can learn from the best experts in the field. Another great choice is University of California, Berkeley, with a fantastic cybersecurity program that's known for its hands-on learning. Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, also stands out for its cutting-edge cybersecurity studies and labs. Lastly, University of Maryland has a strong program that focuses on real-world cybersecurity challenges. These universities are the best places to grow your cybersecurity skills and start a successful career. So are you ready to take your first step? Check them out, narrow it down to the one that fits for you. If you are, leave me a like, let me know which one you're choosing. Love ya.